In a quiet Yoruba village, a woman named Olúronbí longed for one thing: a child. She tried herbs, prayers, and rituals, but nothing worked. Then she heard of the sacred Ìrókò tree, a powerful Ebora deep in the forest, known to grant wishes for a price. She went to the tree, knelt beneath its glowing branches, and made a vow: "Please grant me a child, and I will return the child once she can walk." The tree listened, and soon Olúronbí became a mother. Her daughter filled her life with so much joy. As the child grew, Olúronbí was filled with fear of fulfilling her promise to Ìrókò. Olúronbí went back to Ìrókò and offered replacements, but Ìrókò refused. Olúronbí returned home, and as time went by, she forgot her vow to Ìrókò. But the forest never forgets. Ebora Ìrókò never forgets.